keep you.
That's all right. You ready to go to work? First of all, is the answer yes?
The answer is absolutely yes, Joe, and I am ready to work. I am ready to do this with you, for you. I'm just deeply honored.
President Joe Biden will transfer power briefly to Vice President Kamala Harris on Friday while he is under anesthesia for a routine colonoscopy, making her the first woman to hold presidential power in U.S. history, during his annual physical at the Walter Reed Military Hospital outside of Washington. Harris is the first woman to serve as Vice President of the United States. No woman has ever been president in the country's nearly 250-year history. Following the process set out in the Constitution, President Biden will transfer power to the Vice President for the brief period of time when he is under anesthesia, White House spokesperson Jen Psaki said in a statement. Presidential power has been transferred to the Vice President before when President George Bush had colonoscopies in 2002 and 2007. Biden, who turns 79 on Saturday, is the oldest person to take office as U.S. President, although speculation has persisted about whether he will run for re-election in 2024. He has said he expects to seek a second four-year term alongside Harris.